How to buy and sell Solana NFTs for a nice, juicy profit. First, you need to get a Solana supported wallet and add in your SOL token. Now, most sites support the Phantom wallet and the Soleil wallet. We're going to use the Phantom wallet in this example. So we're going to click Add to Chrome here. I'll have all the relevant links down in the description. We're going to add this to Chrome, add the extension, create new wallet. Keep your recovery phrase somewhere safe and don't share this with anyone. Once you have it saved, hit next, enter in your password, click save. Okay, now that we have our Solana supported wallet set up, we need to actually send our SOL token to this wallet. That way we can then buy the NFTs. Now the SOL token can be purchased on most major exchanges. In order to send the token, we're going to click receive here, and then we're going to type in SOL for Solana, and then copy the address here. Like I said, you can buy this on most major exchanges. I bought mine on KuCoin. This will be linked down in the description if you want to use KuCoin. If you use that link, you'll save some money on trading fees. So we're going to paste in the wallet address. You always want to verify this wallet address is correct, because if you send it the wrong address, say see you later to your SOL token. The network is just SOL here. We're going to send the maximum amount, which is like $36 that I have in this account, and confirm. Confirm the withdrawal. And there we go, the funds have landed in our wallet. Now we can start purchasing NFTs. Now the most popular marketplace for NFTs on Solana is solanart.io. Now they have tons of cool collections here, but this is really for people who kind of have some fat stacks, because these are the most popular and most expensive projects on Solana, and that's in part because on Solana, not anyone can list their projects here. You have to actually be accepted as a creator. So there's kind of this barrier to entry to get in, and things can be pretty expensive. So if we click one, I probably shouldn't have clicked Metabase, but we can see like 5 Solana, 20 Solana. So these are quite expensive, but there are cool projects here. Purchasing on Solanart is very simple. It's just a couple clicks, but there is an alternative that has slightly cheaper options, and that is solc.io. Now with this, they let anyone go ahead and create NFTs on here, which I'm going to show in a minute. And there's also lower cost options. So I like this website. And I also like that it gives more ways to explore NFTs, more filters, tons of options here to filter by views, price, whatever you want to filter by, tons of options here, and I really appreciate that. So we need to connect our wallet in order to make a purchase. We're using the Phantom wallet, and for some reason this gets a little bit glitched out, but if you go full screen, it allows you to connect, and then you need to make an account. We're going to leave all this blank for now. Click submit, and our account is created. Now we can go back to NFTs and find one to buy. We're just going to sort by price lowest. So price ascending, and we're going to buy one of these popsicle NFTs. Very cheap, very cute. Can't go wrong there. Let's see. I'm going to go with this little, I know it's not a spring, but it kind of looks like a spring. Oh, and one thing here, Solana does allow for royalties for creators of NFTs, which is of course great for creators. Now 10% is a little bit high, but this one is so cheap that it doesn't really make a huge difference for us. So we're going to click buy NFT, confirm all your details here, click approve. Waiting for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. This will take a couple seconds. And there we go. We've purchased a Solana NFT. Very simple, very easy, and we should be able to view that in our wallet now. So we click our wallet and we go to this little icon here. There we are. There we are. And if you ever want to send this, you can go ahead and send that, but it's very easy actually to purchase here on Solana, and the transaction fees are extremely low, which is great to not have to pay those crazy gas fees, because on Ethereum, I paid like 150 bucks in gas fees for an NFT. Crazy. Now let's talk tools to help you find the next Solana NFT gem. Now, unfortunately, with Solana, we are a bit limited because everything is brand new here, and I'm sure there's tools being developed right now, but the best tool so far is on howrare.is. Again, everything will be linked in the description, but this site does a good job of showing the rarity of various projects and showing you projects across multiple marketplaces. So if you want a good place to start, this is a good place to start. And this site actually helped me find the Lit Jesus collection. Of course, there's a resemblance to me, especially this guy. You know, if I had some male pattern baldness. Actually, you know what? This is what I look like if I take the wig off. Now, there is strategies beyond this. The best strategy that I've seen so far to find profitable NFT projects to go ahead and flip is by spending a lot of time in Discord servers. This is because most new NFT projects will start up Discords to help build their community. And this takes a lot of time and a lot of research, but it really is the best way to kind of get on the ground floor for projects. So this is what you want to look for in projects, specifically within Discord servers. You want to look for new projects that don't yet have very high minimum prices. You want to look for small projects that are growing fast on both Discord and on Twitter. I think like around a few thousand followers is a good base to start with. And then third, you want to look for engaged creators who have a focus on community and of course, engaged followers who are interested in that project. If you have the time and the ability to follow projects for a while, you will come across these NFT gems that can make you 10, 20, 50x flips. Now, let's list an NFT for sale on Solana step by step. Now back on solc.io, we're going to go up to create and then NFT. We're going to upload the actual NFT here. In this case, I'm going to upload this little drawing of me. I call him Thumb Max. Looks like me if I was a thumb with a wig on it. And title, of course, we're going to call it Thumb Max. So we entered in a short description here, which I just wrote phalange, and then the long description I just said, Thumb Max's beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Seller fee, this is the royalty that you get if whoever buys your NFT sells it again, you get a piece of that transaction if you want. We'll just do 5% here. External URL if you have it. Tags, if you have tags for it, I recommend doing these tags. I'm just going to do art for this instance. Now the license, this is very important. If you want to check out the various types of licenses, definitely click that link here. But we're going to go with public display non-commercial exploitation for our option here. And then we don't have a collection here that we're going to add this to because this is my first NFT on this account. I don't think this would be considered explicit content, but it's close. And then mint NFT. Then we'll get this confirmation message here. Go ahead and verify everything and approve it. Here's the second confirmation. Go ahead and approve that as well. There we go. Let's see our mint. There we are in all of his glory. It's so terrible. Report as fake. No, that's me. That's definitely me. And if we click our wallet now, it should show up in the wallet itself. Yep. There we go. Now, if we want to list this for sale, we can go over to our wallet, NFTs in my wallet, and then click list this NFT and the price in Solana that you want to list it for. You know what? This one means a lot to me. We're just going to go to Solana. Is it private sale? No. List NFT, waiting for transaction approval. Go ahead and approve that. It's confirming on the blockchain. We're now listed for sale. Let's see if someone buys Thumb Max. So we can go to My Listed NFTs. We can see this listing for sale. There we go, listed for 2 Solana. So that's going to do it. I hope that this was helpful in both buying and selling Solana NFTs. I hope you make some massive profits. If you do, let me know. Make sure to send me a message. If you want even more content, make sure you join my Patreon, which is linked down below. We have a private community there with thousands of dedicated investors. You'll have all my buy and sell alerts, and you'll have additional private content. And that's going to do it for today. I would like to thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a profitable day.